Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing the door lock actuators on my car. For some reason they stopped working, and we're going to be changing them because yeah, they don't work. So this needs to open and close when I press that button so I can go in. And I'm not gonna lie guys, for the first few times that this happened to me, I was getting in through the passenger side door and jumping over when the IS just has a keyhole, just unlock it. But I'd rather just press a button and get in my car. So we're gonna be swapping this out. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to start by unlocking getting this bolt out. That's right here. There's another bolt down here. This one, you got to loosen that one up. And next you're gonna want to pry this up. So get your screwdriver, whatever you got with you guys, and pry this up. If you have one of those frame what's it, trim remover pieces, that would be better honestly than this. As you can see, I just popped it up. It literally just slides from the back forward. So once you get this side up, you just slide it up, and okay, once you get it out, all you gotta do is just press this little pin that's right here. Press that and just yank it out, pull it out. Same thing with this one, and you should be able to get the whole thing out, just like how I have, just a piece like that. Then next, I believe there's actually another screw right here, or actually it's a little pin. Gotta pull that one out with the same thing with the pry tool. So again guys, for this one, if you have that trim piece to pull this out, it would be much easier. It's just a little thing that all you gotta do is just press the button, this little button, and it should come right off, and just pry it out. Okay, next what you want to do is remove this piece right here. It's just a speaker. There's nothing to it, just yank it, it should come right off. Set off this side, and then after that I believe should be ready to just start yanking on this thing. Start from the bottom, work your way up. This thing should pull right out. Oh, actually, I forgot, gotta get this one first. So for that one, what you're gonna do is just get your screwdriver right here and just pry towards this way, and then you get yourself under here, the handle, and just pull like that. As you can see, it should come off, and then you just pull this, and that's it. This is out. Okay, I believe that's everything, if I'm not mistaken. If I do, I'll get back to you guys. So I'll start by just yanking away at this. So I'm gonna need my two hands. I'll get back to you guys when this is taken out. So once you remove that, next thing you want to do is there's another thing right here, same thing as this. All you want to do is just press on the little thing, and it should come right out. Oh, just on my finger. It's for the light that's down there. So just move this off to the side. Okay guys, so now for the fun part, right? So we're gonna start by removing this. This is a Phillips screw. Removing that, taking these two bolts off, and then after that we'll start removing this vapor barrier off, pulling it back. I'll show you guys right now. So let's just get this off. Okay, next, start taking these out. Oops. Okay. All this. Okay, once you get this latch undone, also the thing that was here, we're gonna start by you know, start pulling away at this thing. Slowly but surely, just start, you know, working your way through it. You know, a blade would help sometimes where it gets stuck. See how this thing is super sticky. Try not to get it everywhere. Yeah, so let's just move it out of the way. Try not to rip it, just like how I did. So, just keep going at it. Let's see. Oh, so this is coming off pretty easy. Not bad. Okay. Let me get this out of the way. Come on, guys. Okay. I think I got something to put this out of the way. Put some tape over here. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I just put some tape there just to hold it in place, get it out of my way. So next, what you want to do is get these two bolts out. They're still Phillips screws. If you don't have a Phillips screws, this is a 10 millimeter bolt, both of these. So let's get those out. Once you get those out, get these two down here as well, this one and this one. And let me go ahead and do that. So it's fairly easy. Just gotta hold the door, sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so just bear with me. Just comes out like that. Okay, now let's get these two bolts out. Okay, so this is the fun part. So next thing you want to do is there's I don't know if you guys can see, but there's two hooks, two connecting rods that connect to the door handle. Make this thing all work. As you can see, it works. You got to get those. It's kind of hard, but to get the camera in there. But you're gonna try to. It's literally like a little pin. You want to get it this one off, and then there's the pink one down there. Just put your hand in there. That's all I can say. Try to get this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now because I can't put my finger in there and have this camera in there. So just go ahead and do that, and I'll be right with you guys. Okay. So after you remove those clips from in there, just remember, guys, it's a little hard to get in there, but you know, just do your best. Someone with smaller hands can get in there faster, better, easier. But next up, we're gonna have to take up the actual door mechanism for the door so that it closes. The actuator is actually attached to it somewhere in here, so we gotta pull this apart, get it out through here. And this is a T30, I believe. Yeah, it's a T30. So just go ahead and, you know, remove all these bolts, and I'll get back to you guys when I've done that already. Okay, guys, so once you take it out, it's gonna look like this. Pretty much it was like this on the door. That's how it looks like. So this is the piece we're gonna need to take out. And as you can see, I'm gonna remove some screws. So I'm gonna remove this screw back here. This one, 2, and 3. This whole piece should just come out right off and switch. We'll put the new one right in. Okay. Then we'll compare the pieces. I gotta hurry up because it's getting late. Alright guys, so it's day 2 of fixing the IS. Yeah, I got late last night, so I just couldn't see anymore, so I just paused it. I'll show you guys right now what I did just to close the door. So this is basically what I did. I just got the mechanism inside, these 2 bolts, and yeah, and I connected that back on. That way the actual door works. I didn't connect any rods, so I had to jump in through the other side, get this open. So that's what I did. The door closed and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out for you guys, and um, we'll start by putting the actuators back on. Okay, guys. So this is the old part. See, they're pretty much identical. I just got a little too ahead of myself. I got excited and I just threw in a screw right there. So guys, make sure for this, make sure you guys put in this little ball in there, and this little string just goes in through that little hole. Just gotta get it in there, and that way your locking mechanism works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and just start assembling this thing, putting it back together. Okay guys, so once you get that done, just gotta put this pin in there, like I said, this one, and make sure that this third one goes in through a little hole. It's just a little slot that goes in there. That way your door lock actually works. So if you go ahead and unlock, see, that's all I'm doing. It actually unlocks. See that? Also the door one, the door mechanism works. Oh, and one more thing, guys, don't forget to put your covers back on. Actually forgot to mention that. Right now that I was putting it back. So this is what it should look like when you put it all back together. This is all your like covers, that way nothing gets damaged while you're on the road. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and start by putting this on there and connecting the rods after that. So I mean, this is basically what I just told you, just backwards. So I'm just gonna maybe set up my camera and record myself just doing this. So let me go ahead and do that, and you guys just see me doing this in like a time loop or something like that. Alright guys, so as I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't close out the video and I didn't show you guys me actually completing it. And as you can see, like this, and it works. So just to show you guys that I put it back together and that it actually works. There you go. So now you guys know how to fix this. Make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one. Now I just gotta fix that other one on the other side. Doesn't work. All right, laters, bye.